Morning, everybody. We've been having a problem with the nest boxes. I've got 1/2 inch hardware cloth on there, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, and some of the babies, when the moms will eat the hay out of the nest box, and the babies' feet, when they're real small, will go through. And if you move that nest box, sometimes they get pinched and it'll break the legs. So I went and got 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch hardware cloth, and I'm going to staple it over the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch to see if I can keep the baby's feet in the nest box without getting them broke, getting them caught and getting them broke. And also on that 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch hardware cloth, when they build their nest out of hay, a lot of the hay will go through into the pans. So if I put this 1/4 inch on there, I want to see if it'll retain a lot more of the hay and the hair and keep it in the nest box for the babies. So follow along, we'll see how it happens. Thank you.